So let me ask you something. What if insurance pays you back even if nothing goes wrong? Welcome back to Insurance Capsule, where we break down insurance into simple, everyday language. And if you are seeing this channel for the first time, you're welcome. Kindly subscribe, like, and comment. Today, we are going to talk about endowment policy, a type of life insurance that combines both protection and savings. Now, this is where things get very interesting. An endowment policy provides cover for a specific period of time, just like term assurance. But unlike term assurance, it also guarantees a payout at the end of the policy. Here's how it works. You take an endowment policy for a set period, for example, 5 years, 10 years, or 15 years. You pay your premium regularly during that period. If the insured person passes away within the period, the company pays the sum assured to the beneficiaries. But if the person is still alive at the end of the policy, the insurance company pays a lump sum to the policy holder with interest. So either way, there is a payout. Let's bring it closer to home. Imagine someone planning for a major financial goal like building a house, starting a business, funding a child's university education, and they take a 15-year endowment policy. Over those 15 years, they are saving gradually through their premiums. Then at the end of the 50 years, they receive a lump sum which can be used for that goal. And if something happens during those 15 years, their family is still financially protected. So in simple terms, endowment policy is insurance plus disciplined savings. It helps you prepare for the future while still protecting your loved ones. It is particularly useful for people who want a structured way to save and also want insurance coverage at the same time. So it's a two-in-one program. Because sometimes financial planning is not just about protection. It is about building towards something meaningful. So let's wrap life insurance policy up. Firstly, we spoke about term assurance, and this protects you and your loved ones for a period of time. We spoke about whole life, which protects you for the entire life. And then endowment, which protects you and also helps you save. This is Insurance Capsule. Do not forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you will be the first to be notified when a new episode drops. See you on the next episode.